Hello everybody. I talk about method, didactic, and pedagogy. What is the method? Method is a system or way of doing something. In this picture, the men see what method used for achieving goal. Didactic. What is didactic? Didactic is the art or science of teaching. This picture shows how to teach and communicate knowledge to a student. Pedagogy. Pedagogy is the art, science of professional of teaching. Difference between method, didactic, and pedagogy. Method is a way for achieving goals. Use a specific technique and tool, way of instruction, investigation, and presentation. Didactic is objective of study is the process of teaching and learning. Focus on the how to teach and communicate knowledge to the student. Is more mechanic. Pedagogy cover why and how of education include show the teacher interact with the student. Also talk and think about the curriculum, the value, the vision, and education, etc. Can therefore be more philosophical by moment. PPP method. PPP method is very useful for teaching second language. It has three steps: presentation, practice, and production. Reference. Thank you for your attention.